Spice Girls is playing. That is a good sign. Let's see what is going on over here today. Is this so cute? Betsy Johnson cat. And $5.99. What do we think? It's still here. We're doing it. This reminds me of middle school. I used to wear JanSport, Adidas with maroon stripes, and jean capris. Like it was no one's business. Low key, these 9 West like one strap backpacks are really nice quality. Always check the go bags. This Athleta, if I was a small. Some Brandy Melville denim, $8.99. Okay, so this is a cool mug. Turtles, $2.99. Look at this. Wow, that is beautiful. $5.99. That's a yes. Okay, I just got to Kroger and look what I'm gonna do. Grocery bag unlocked. See ya.